my coffee, please? Okay. Jiggle, wiggle, shaky, shaky. Oh, please, gently. Oh, you could just say, could you stir this a little? Oh, stir, thank you. Oh no, it's not sweet, not creamy, not yummy. It's just, ugh. I can stir the cup myself. Oh no, you can swirl the cup. Swirl? Why swirl and not stir? Because stir is when you use a spoon, and swirl is when you move the cup round and round without the spoon. So shake, wiggle, jiggle, swirl, stir, all because of one coffee? Yes, English is delicious and confusing. Give me all your money, otherwise I go to hurt you. The correct sentence is, I'm going to hurt you. Stop teaching me English. Don't angry me. No, you should say, don't make me angry. You know what? I doesn't want your money. Wrong again. Say, I don't want your money. Oh, English is hard. Wow. Practice makes perfect. Anyways, follow me for more fun English learning. Bye-bye. Excuse me, can you dry my hair, please? Okay. What are you doing? You said dry my hair. I wanted to air dry it. Oh, okay. See you in 5 hours then. Wait, where are you going? You should do this. Oh, do you want me to blow dry it? Oh no, my bag is wet. Can you blow dry my bag? No, please, gentle dry. Oh, so you want hat dry, not blow dry? What is this? Air dry, blow dry, hat dry? Let me explain. First, air dry, let the wind do work. Next, blow dryer. Use a dryer. Hat dry. Tap softly with a towel.